Hello, guys, and welcome again to another edition of Learning with Rich. So, in this topic, I'm going to teach you how to hide and turning on objects. So, in Navisworks, we can control the visibility of objects based on what they are, not on what a layer they are on. Okay, if you created that in AutoCAD. Okay, so we can control if we can even see the item or not. So, one tricky part or difficult uh, here in Naviswork is it is easier to hide an element than turning it on. Okay, so in this video, we are going to look at hiding objects, and then we are going to use our selection tree to turn them back on. And we are going to use also other tools that we can use to hide an element or unhide an element. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to open the exercise file here. Okay, you can also open any Navisworks file that you have. Okay, so in this one, so I'm just going to change my tool to orbit. So I'm going to zoom in. Okay. So to hide an element, so you just need to look for an object that you want to hide. Okay. So like for example, I'm going to select here the select tool. Okay. So let's say I want to hide this pipe cover. So I select the pipe cover, and then you just need to right click that, and then after that you can select here hide or control H. Okay, another way to hide an object is select the object, and then from the visibility you can see there the option hide. So once I hide it, okay, so it's now hidden. For you to be able to turn it back on, so what you can do is you can go to your selection tree, go to the selection tree, and then you will notice again the Navisworks dig that particular element in our selection tree. It drills the file. Where is that? So this is the one. So you just need to look from the 401 roof, okay, and then little by little it will drill where is that particular object. And then as you can see, it's hidden here. You see this one, it's turned off or half tone color. So if you want to turn it on, so you can just right click this, and then after that you can select this one to uncheck. Okay, just like that. Okay, right. So I'm going to select all. So if you want to hide, then you just need to right click again, and then you can select hide here. So you can use your selection tree, and then you can also select from your scene view. Okay, so if you want to unhide it, another option aside from your selection tree, you can go to the visibility panel, and then there is an element there, or there is a tool there that is called unhide all. Okay, so you just need to select unhide all. Okay, then it will now hide all the elements that you have hidden. Just be careful because it might show you a lot of elements that you do not need in your view if you select unhide all. Okay, another way, if you want to separate these selected elements, they are still selected, you can right click, and then you can select hide unselected. So it will hide the elements that are unselected. So if I select this one, there you go. So it's now unselected. Okay, so hide unselected. So from the visibility panel, you can see there the hide unselected. So from here, you can also select it. Again, if you want to unhide it, okay, you can check out your selection tree, and then from here, you can just unhide it. Okay, oops, you can unhide. Okay, you can click this one to unhide, but it's difficult because you need to do it one by one. Okay, it is advisable if you want to do it one by one, but if you do not want to do it one by one because it will take a lot of time, so you can go to the visibility again, and then from here, you can select unhide all. There you go. Okay, I'm going to press escape to deselect the objects. Okay, so basically that's how you hide your elements. That's how you turn it on. Okay, so it's not that difficult. Again, the tool can be found on the visibility panel. Okay, or you can select the object, right click, and then you can see here the option hide. Or you can also use your selection tree, because after you select an element in Navisworks or object, the selection tree will find that particular object on the list. So this is the one. So from here you can right click and then you can hide the object if you want. Okay. All right. Or you can just right click this and select again the hide to uncheck hide. There you go. Okay. So that's it for this very short video. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, you can just put it in the comment section below. Okay. So again, hopefully this has been helpful to you guys. If you have any query, okay, don't be shy to put it on the comment section. So once again, this is Rich. Have a nice day.